guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess. For today's video, I'm going to unboxing the makeup products that I bought from Ulta. If you guys are interested for this kind of video, please stay tuned and let's go started. So here is the box that I've got from Ulta. I'm going to unbox this one now. So all I'm going to do is just cut this on the edge because what do you call this, the address is on the top, so I don't want to reveal my address for you guys. It's kind of late now, so I'm trying not to do a lot of noise. And then it looks like this. I'm going to take off this one. First things I've got are these ones from NYX. This is their Lift and Snatch brow tint pen, and this is like in the shade of espresso. So I don't know how it is going to be for my eyes. No, my brows, I mean. Because I was thinking about it. It's a liquid eyeliner. So I'm going to check if it's the right shade. Usually I'm in deep brown, dark brown. So I think this one it will work. We'll see, and if it's not, I'm just gonna use it as a liquid eyeliner. And then next is this is the I think this is old eyeshadow palette, but I bought it because of Angie. She used all full face of NYX Cosmetics and she used this one right here, so I'm like, I kind of wanted this eyeshadow palette before, but I don't want to buy the bigger one, but instead I bought the smaller version of it, which is really nice. I love this color right here. It's like kind of yellowish but like kind of greenish color, and of course it is neutral, so it's much more easier for me to wear it. I couldn't wait to try this on. And then of course when I bought those two products, I've got this free from NYX. This is their glitter primer and a glitter, I guess. So I need this glitter primer anyway. So yeah, the next one is this one. This is the new Lorac Pro Palette Fairy Tale Forest. And I've got this one. I keep eyeing some Lorac eyeshadow palette since their 21 days of beauty, something like that. So and this is how it looks like. It looks really tiny on the website, and then it does have this black thing. This is the first time I bought a Lorac palette. So here they are, and I am attracted to this kind of eyeshadow palette packaging. As you guys can see, it's kind of black. So yeah, this one I think is $35, and they have those little six pans. They are $15 each, and I don't know if I'm going to buy one of them, but I am thinking about to buy the Winter Rose. I think Winter Rose, and the other one is Mystic Oak, but I am more attracted to the Winter Rose one. And then the next ones I've got here is from Ulta Beauty. I needed this one so bad because I always do I only use 2 to 3 makeup brushes whenever I do my makeup, so I plan to buy one of these, and I saw this one at Ulta and I bought it. I think it's only $9 if I'm not mistaken. This is the shadow switching pen. And then the next one I've got is this one. This is the Ulta Beauty Feeling Peachy Lip Treatment Kit. In their website, this one looks really big. I didn't know that this is only like this. And it comes with peach slushy scrub, and then a juicy gloss, and a peach lip jelly. So let's see how they look like inside. So they're really tiny, but yep, it's great because, oh, this one is so cute. It does have a flower inside. And then this one, I think this is only the sugar scrub thing. And then this is like maybe a lip mask kind of thing. So I'm gonna throw this away. Just gonna put them back here. And then when I bought these 2 products for the Ulta Beauty collection, I got this one bag, like the free stuff, and then it's either this pink or black, and see what's inside. So the bag, it is really like kind of decent size, so it's better. And then here are the other free stuff from Ulta Beauty again. And then we've got a jelly gloss, a face primer, an eye primer. Ooh, I need an eye primer. We'll see if this is good. And it's actually a matte eye primer in the shade of nude, and it says here it's oil free, fragrance free, and paraben free. And then we got this like kind of makeup eraser, something like that, or makeup towel. And then this one, I think this is in an eyeshadow palette. Let's see. This will be good if I have full face of this of Ulta Beauty. We'll see if I can figure it out. So this is their 8-piece eyeshadow palette. Oh, not that bad. It does have blue, dark, is that navy blue? It does have lightest to darkest, like kind of eyeshadow palette. Wow. We will try this one later on. And it comes with 2 brushes, like eye brushes, and velvet matte lip crayon. And what shade is this? It doesn't say which shade it is, so yep. And then this one, it is a Lash Evolution, like fortifying and conditioning mascara. So maybe this is like a, let me see, maybe just like a volumizing mascara. Not that bad. So just gonna put everything back here. And then next one is this eyeshadow palette from Morphe that is collaborated with Jaclyn Hill again. This is the Divine Neutrals, and this one is like $18. And this is the one that I've been waiting for ever since I bought this product. And then this is the first time I'm going to try Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palettes. I never bought her first big palette, the second one palette, and the 4 eyeshadow palettes. So here it is. Not sure if I'm going to review this in my channel. I'm just planning to use it and then to do a makeup look on my Instagram profile or feed. So we'll see if I can do a video for this, all of this, because I only have a small spare time to do a video because yeah, I'm really busy now. So the next ones are these Urban Decay Vice lipsticks, and I bought 2 of them. They're both matte, and I bought the Horchata and Bad Blood. So I'm going to swatch them because why not? So here is the packaging. I think these are new. I'm not sure if they're new, but they're new to me. So this is the Horchata and the Bad Blood, and here it is. So I'm just gonna slide it here. So this is the Horchata. As you guys can see, I love brownish mauve color. I never wear red for a long time, so that's why I bought this Bad Blood. So here it is. Why I feel like I have like a glistening skin? Maybe because I didn't put lotion. So here they are. I think that's it for you guys, and I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up again, and we'll see if which are these I'm going to do a video again. So that's it for you guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.